Dear students, I am going to show you how to go to the link and do your online paper. So first of all, you have to go to the WhatsApp. Now here my WhatsApp icon is there, so I will press the icon. Now I have pressed the icon. Now you have to select your own group, like SFS grade 7 would be for class 7, but here online paper is given for us to practice on SFS online classes. So I'm going to press this. Now you see, and I have to scroll to find out the link. Here link is given, so I will press the link, and now again Chrome will be asked. I have to press the Chrome, again Chrome will be asked, so I will go to paper now likewise. And now you see here one icon is given, paper. You have to select the paper name from here. Now it is blank, so it won't open. After that you have to write your name. Suppose I am putting here my name. Now you see I am just typing. After that I have to scroll, and I have to put roll number. Suppose my roll number is not given anything, so I am just putting something, 11 number. Okay, grade you have to select from this button. Then all the classes will be open. You have to select your own class. So suppose I select 7. Now next you have to press, and then the page will be open. Now you have to start answering from the top to bottom, and whatever you feel like to leave in between you can leave, and after that again you can scroll and answer. Suppose the first question is given, who was the first president of India, and I know, so I will press this C answer. Now suppose I have to clear this selection, then you clear this selection and then you can change. Suppose you think that now you have done some wrong answers, so you can clear this selection and again you can select. Likewise, keep scrolling. I will show you some of the answers which I can fill up here. How many days are there in a year? Suppose I know 365 days, I will select this one. Suppose question number 6 is there, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Then I know that, so it's a C answer, camel. Likewise, suppose I know how many letters are there in the English alphabet, 26, so I will click this, and likewise keep doing, keep doing, keep doing, and at the end you will find there are two options given, back and submit, and you have to press the submit button. I'm not putting now right now, because if I submit then this paper I cannot do again, so I have to show to you. For that reason I am not submitting, otherwise it will not open. So up to here you have to go likewise, and you have to press submit button. The moment you submit the paper, it will be evaluated by the computer. So likewise, so easy process. I hope you might have understood well. Still you have doubt, then you can ask me, and I will be sharing this particular link to your group after this, and you can practice, and you can even submit and check how it is done. So that's it. This is so simple. Thank you very much.